As you may have noticed yesterday, the thing about A Modest Proposal is that it's kind of complicated. Satire can be hard, especially because satire usually involves there's an author who has a certain set of beliefs, and they want to make fun of another party that has another set of beliefs. And in order to make fun of that other set of beliefs, they will write a character who is the speaker of their text, and that speaker will say the beliefs of the person that the author disagrees with, and will say them in a very exaggerated way. And it's supposed to like make fun of that person. So I wanted to walk you guys a little bit more through how satire works in the modern day so that you can understand exactly how the satire is working in this older time frame, because it's a lot harder to pick up on satire when you don't fully understand the context of who is being made fun of and what the author thinks of that group of people. So I figured we would just do like one more exercise on this to really distinguish between who is the author and then who is the speaker that the author has invented, right? And how do those two have very, very different beliefs? So let's walk through it. So what you're going to do, you're going to watch this video, just watch a minute of it. You don't need to watch the whole thing. And then you will answer these questions on the video. And then these are about satire. These are about how you know that the author is different from the speaker. So the author would be like who wrote the sketch that's in the video, and the speaker would be the character that actually appears in the video, right? So answer these questions about this Saturday Night Live video. Then you'll watch the second video and you will answer these questions. These just give us context about the Irish potato famine. And then we come back to A Modest Proposal. And when you get down to the bottom, we have these questions. So you want to answer the questions that appear in this box, and you want to cite evidence that helps you answer that question. So you want to tell me, is the speaker in this rich or poor? Is the speaker Irish or British? How does the speaker feel about the Irish? How does the speaker feel about himself? And what does the speaker think is a reasonable solution to the problem? And you'll answer all of these and justify your answers. Remember, it says justify right here. And then copy your lines that give you evidence. And then you have some final reflection questions. And these reflection questions will kind of push you to answer the question of like, the speaker of A Modest Proposal was written by the author, Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift does not believe the things that the speaker believes. So why did Jonathan Swift write this character? What is he trying to show? What is he trying to satirize? What viewpoint, what worldview is he trying to satirize? I hope all of that makes sense. Again, email me if you have any questions. Hopefully, if you feel like you understood what was going on yesterday, then you can fly through this. If you feel like yesterday was just reading a text about a crazy person who thinks that we should eat babies, remember, the speaker of this is not Jonathan Swift. The speaker is kind of a character that Jonathan Swift made up, and the speaker does not exist in reality, but exists to satirize a certain worldview. So think through that. I'm excited to see how you do with it. Bye, guys.